Have you ever sleptwalked?
No, I've never slept off, but my friend Muhammad
Yeah.
stayed down here. He's such a good dude.
Yeah.
And I was in Vegas, and I couldn't afford. I didn't have the money to pay for the incidentals, so I couldn't get my hotel room. So I gave it to somebody else. So I stay with him. He goes, you can't stay with me because you talk about bird people.
Bird people.
Yeah, apparently when he stayed down here with me, I was
Bird
talking
people.
in my sleep about bird people.
Hey, I got the perfect thing for you.
I've never done that before.
Linda hears me talking my
ever
sleep.
Talked about me sleep talking about anything.
Steve talks in his sleep.
Bird people.
I talk in my sleep.
He would be like talking to
It
me.
was like but the way he talks is like bird people.
Blood.
No, Steve would be talking to me, and then all of a sudden, he's talking to me in his sleep. Then he wakes up and he asks me a question, and I'm like, is he still in his sleep? And you're like, Linda.
When
I was like,
went to school,
wait.
my first year at Houghton College in upstate New York, my roommate, he would wake up in the middle of the night and get up and start talking in his sleep.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah.
It was just creepy as fuck.
Yeah. No, I do. Once in a while, talk in my sleep. I once sleptwalked. My sister witnessed it, and but one time Linda got out of bed because she was having a dream and was talking to someone and wanted to show her a picture on her phone. So she got out of bed to go get her phone to try to show the picture to the person in her dream, but her dream was gone.
Jesus Christ.
That is oh my God.
When things get mixed up.
They get mixed up real fast.
Yeah, real quick anymore.
Yeah, that was the miss.
I'm like, wait, I can't show her the picture.
Good God.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But February 24th,
Yeah.
you, me, Garrett, James, Dolly,
Tim, Kyle, Linda.
Oh my God.
Everybody. David Kurtovich.
Roger.
David Ellis.
Please go. I really want to meet you.
David Ellis? I haven't heard that.
Yeah.
I want to meet you so bad.
Doesn't he play for Counting Crows?
Oh, all right. Roger. We're gonna leave like on the 24th. Get a flight on the 24th, right?
We gotta be there by 6.
Do you want to go in on a house? I found some fantastic fucking.
I totally will do that.
Be Airbnb. Come on.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Airbnb.
Yeah.
And we'll invite everybody.
Oh, we found the cutest little houses
it's gonna be
for like super
It's gonna
cheap.
be awesome. I will reconnect before I die. Okay.
We found the sweetest little places like for under $300 for 3 days.
Yeah.
And they're cute. It's our house.
And we'll throw a party.
Okay.
Holy fucking shit.
We'll throw a party.
Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna be big, man. I'm trying
Let's
to
do
plan.
it. We're gonna do it big, guys. Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Absolutely.
All right. And then we'll get 1,800 podcasts out of it.
Oh my God, we got so we have so much.
Ain't no one shy.
Is this a podcast right now?
Yeah, right now it is.
Oh yeah.
Of course. I don't call you without recording you.
We never call you without recording.
Yeah.
But no, Roger, this is serious.
Hey, have you met Bones and Thugs lately?
Bones and Thugs, what? But no, Roger, we're super serious about this February thing.
And Isaac's been so busy,
Mm-hmm.
and he's like, I was going to talk about it. And he's like, oh no, you can't talk about it until it's done.
Oh, okay.
All right, February 24th.
Huh?
February 24th,
Yeah, yeah,
23,
yeah.
we are going to go out on an airplane to Nashville.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna sit in the tunnel in the chair in the sky.
And then you can pile.
But
All right.
yes, I'll
Roger,
we'll have
Roger, can I get the house together and all that shit, and like you go in halves with us? Or no, not even halves.
I'll pay.
There's
I'll
two
pay
of
for
us
all
and
it.
one of you.
I don't give a shit.
Oh, you'll pay for it.
No,
No, we'll go
Okay,
half.
no.
That's only fair.
yeah, no,
Oh,
we gotta go a little bit more.
Steve and Dolly can pile chairs on my fucking house.
Dude,
over his head.
Do you remember that?
I already
Yeah.
found. I already found the
I got
cutest
drunk on gin.
houses to rent. I already
First
found
time
the
I got
cutest
drunk on gin.
places.
In
Yeah.
my house with
You were laying on the floor by the
Kyle?
front door, and Ron piled chairs all up
Ron
over
Downey.
you.
What?
He did. He was like,
Piled
Roger
chairs
was laying
on
there. He
my
was like,
head.
he was at the front door. We were about to leave, and Ron just starts putting chairs like
He put
one
him-
over this way, one
he
over
put
that
him-
way, one
he
over this
put
way. He
him-
just piled a bunch of chairs
he
on
put himself
Roger.
in a puzzle. Alright, yeah, Roger.
And
on
you're
the puzzle.
shaking our hands from the floor.
Everybody's
Good
hands
night.
As they're leaving. And then
Here I am, Roger. I'm a
Chairs are piled
puzzle.
on my
Put me together. Roger.
Yeah, you want to see all those dudes again? We're planning on February, bro.
February 24th.
Yeah, I can't wait.
February
to see
24th.
Bye.
Like
It's
we're
gonna be great.
we're working
We get
it
that
out.
in.
We already said yes to the.
We already declared we would be there.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Yes, sir.
Please, sir.
Oh,
Roger.
absolutely.
Okay, buddy.
Yay.
All right.
Oh,
You
it's
guys
gonna
have a
be
good night.
you too, bud.
Nighttime for you, but it's still daytime for me.
I know. We're 3 hours behind you.
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to bed though.
Oh, well.
Not till I get some.
Oh, what? All right.
I don't do that.
Peace
I
out.
don't do that.
Yeah, she's
Well,
approved.
This is our latest podcast, I guess, right?
Yes, it is. It'll be up tomorrow.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
Yeah, fuck
I
you,
know,
man.
fuck us.
Fuck everybody.
Fuck.
We're fucked anyway. Bye.
Love you, Roger.
Love you.
I love you too.
Bye bye.